Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new tutorial. I have been looking for some decor projects and items and I finally found one. You can use this for pretty much anything. Once you hang it up, I've seen people using it for their stuffed animals, books, pretty much everything. It is a yarn hammock, but you can use it for other things too. It doesn't just have to be for yarn. So in today's video, I'm gonna do it in this very beautiful color. It's pink and it has sparkles in it. And the last one I did, which I will show you guys right up here in the corner, I did with a 6mm crochet hook. So I'm gonna try this one with an 8mm and see if it makes a big difference. And this is a tutorial, so stay tuned. Grab your 8mm crochet hook and a 4-weight worsted weight yarn. Let's get started. This is a quick reminder that if you want to order this yarn hammock, if you enjoy this yarn hammock but don't want to make it yourself, go over to my Etsy. The link is down in the description and in my bio, and you just message me and we can work out a price and what color and size you want. So let's get into the video. So we're going to begin with a magic circle. And then you are going to pick up your hook. And I'm using, like I said, my 8mm this time. And I'm just going to chain 1. Then you're going to begin by making a treble crochet into your magic circle. Then you're going to make 2 more treble crochets right beside that one. And most people would prefer to chain as their beginning stitch. I just feel like it makes my crochet work look really sloppy. Then we are going to chain 3 and put 3 more treble crochets into your magic circle. Then you're going to pull your tail tight, chain 1 and turn your work. In your first treble crochet stitch, you're going to put 3 treble crochets. Then we are going to move to our next space, but we are not going to chain whatsoever. You're going to come here to your chain 3 from the previous round and make 3 treble crochets, chain 3 and 3 treble crochets, all into that top space. Then you're going to come to your very last stitch, put 3 treble crochets in that very last stitch. Then we're going to chain 1, turn our work. Now this round is just going to be repeated until your yarn hammock is as big as you want. So in that first space, put your 3 treble crochets. Well, first stitch, not first space, I'm sorry. Then after you finish your 3 treble crochets in that very first stitch, you're going to come over here to the place where you jumped to the center. So there is a space here between the clusters. And then you're just going to put 3 treble crochets into that space. Then after you put your 3 treble crochets into that space, you're going to come up here to your chain 3 space and you're going to do the same thing from the previous round. 3 treble crochets, chain 3, 3 treble crochets. And after that, you're going to come over here to your space between your clusters and make 3 treble crochets. Then in your very last stitch, you're also going to put 3 treble crochets. Now you're going to chain 1, turn your work, and this round is going to be repeated over and over again. So in the first space, 3 treble crochets, this space right here, 3 treble crochets, this space, 3 treble crochets. The point or the tip, you need to put 3 treble crochets, chain 3, 3 treble crochets, then do the same thing on this side, ending in your last stitch with 3 treble crochets. You're going to repeat this until your hammock is as long as you want, and I'll come back and let you know how many rows I did on mine. So I have just finished 14 rows, and I'm going to go around it with my 6mm crochet hook
and give it a single crochet border, and I'm gonna put 3 in the first stitch and last stitch. And in the part up here, I'm gonna put 3 single crochets, chain 3 and 3 single crochets. And then in just, I'm gonna put 1 single crochet in each treble crochet, and then 1 in the spaces in between the clusters. And it's all done. I really like the additional single crochet border around it all. And yeah, that's about it. And I will put some pictures or videos of it all hung up and stuff in it, so you guys can get a good idea of the size. This one is quite bigger than my last one. I think it's because I used such a large crochet hook. So I hope you guys give this pattern a try and stay tuned to see it all hung up and have stuff in it.